Hi, my name's Ann Arias, and I'm a library assistant at the Maplewood Public Library. And today I'm going to teach you how to make this really cute and simple holiday Thanksgiving kind of memory craft that you can share with your family around the table this year. It's just very simply made out of a simple paper plate, a metal brad, a piece of construction paper, and then really any decorations or markers that you have at home that you would like to use. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut out a circle out of your orange paper that's about the size of the inside of the paper plate. And I've actually already done that over here. And so I don't have a perfect circle, but it's going to look about like this. Then what I did next was I actually folded the circle in half and then into thirds. So 1/3 like this, and then kind of backwards for the other third like this, just to make your 6 slices of pie. Open it back up. And then you're going to cut out one of the slices of pie. And so you're going to have a kind of Mr. Pac-Man that looks like this, which you're going to place on your plate so that your plate will look like this. And then in each of the sections of the plate, you're going to list an item that you have a memory of for the year. And so on my plate, and I know it's upside down, we had travel, home, work or school, family, friends, and of course pets. So you'll go ahead and you'll draw each of those items in each section, in one of each sections of your 6 pie slices. And the way I kind of did that was I took my original pie slice and I actually went ahead and inserted it, and I made a little hole. You can use really whatever you have around the house. This is actually a temperature tester for a cake or brownies or cookies. And I made a hole first in my little orange pie slice and then straight through the paper plate. And then with that hole, I was able to insert my brad. And so now your little pie plate looks like this. And you'll go ahead and shut your brad on the other side. If I'm able to do that, of course. You know, it's pretty tricky. All right, then you have your little spinny wheel. Okay. And I actually used my pencil to make little marks on each portion of the pie plate to get my 6. So you can kind of see there. And then you can write in whatever you're going to use for your memories in each of those little sections. And then basically, after you've completed that, you can decorate your pie however you'd like. I used some cute little pipe cleaners that I found at the library to make my pie slices, but honestly, you could use markers. You could use all kinds of items. And then I also used on the top, I braided up just some really simple brown cord from Home Depot, I think. So anyways, and you know, you glue that on using your glue gun on both places, or if you're just going to color, go ahead and color. This would be a really fun activity for a child to help out before your Thanksgiving meal. And then sit down for your meal, spin the wheel, and share a favorite memory of your year. I know this has been a bit of a tough year, but I'm sure there's been some really special memories. So anyways, enjoy your Thanksgiving week. Take care.